When investing in land, having your proper document is very crucial. Here are the essential steps and documents you will need. Number 1. Land search. Start by finding the land that suits your needs, either from a real estate agent or an online real estate platform. Government land sales may also be an option. Number 2. Financial consideration. Determine your budget for purchasing a land and building a house. Number 3. Land contract. Sign a contract with the seller detailing the terms of the purchase. Number 4. You have to understand all costs related to the sale. Number 5. Ensure that the land title is transferred from the previous owner to you. Remember, investing in land requires thorough research and proper documentation.